I was thinking today about mindset versus skill and why mindset is the #1 skill that you need as a hairdresser. Now you may be thinking, well, no, like definitely not, because I'm using my technical skills every day. Like I need to be investing in more classes and getting more practice in my technical skills. Now I'm not here to tell you not to do that, because you absolutely need to and should be doing that. But the #1 skill you can have is to enhance your mindset, because it either propels you into success or holds you back from everything that you've wanted. Actually, 80% of your success is mindset and 20% is technical skill. Now check this out. Imagine if you gave 100 terrible haircuts, crappy, awful haircuts to people. In a recent study, it said that only 3 of those people would even technically know it was a bad haircut. So what does that tell us? That tells us that people are rebooking because of the way you make them feel. They're not rebooking because maybe you're the best colorist or the best hair stylist in general. They're booking because they love you and the way you make them feel, and your mindset is creating that feeling for them. Now, mindset shows up a lot of other ways. Imagine this. Imagine if your goal was to be the top hair extensionist in your city, and you were training, you were gathering all the skills and the tools to be the top hair extensionist, but deep down, you believed that your hair extensions cost too much and that no one would really be able to afford them anyway. Now, would that propose a challenge? I think it totally would. Because see, you've gathered all these amazing skills, you've invested in all these classes, you have what it takes technically, but your mindset is holding you back from, #1, attracting the clients who actually will be able to afford it, and more than likely, your mindset is holding you back from being able to charge what you want to and what you're worth. And that's something that technical skills cannot fix. It's something that you have to fix on the inside. And it's the only way that you're going to get where you want to be, and the level of success that you would like to be at, is by fixing your mindset. The technical skills can only go so far because it's tangible. You got to work on the inside stuff. Now, you probably know, here's another situation where mindset really shows up in a big way. You probably know a stylist who is booked all the time. Maybe they're double and triple booked when they're at the salon. They're making lots of money, super busy, but they never have time to eat. They never take care of themselves. Their health is declining. They're not maybe looking as good as they used to because they're so worn out, and they're probably drinking coffee all day long. And are they going in on their days off? Now, raise your hand if you know someone like that. I know I do, and I know I have. And the challenge with that, it's again a mindset issue. And the issue is boundaries and not knowing how to say no. Because no is a complete sentence. And saying no teaches people how to treat you and how to respect you. So you can have all the success and all the money and all the clients in the world, but if you don't have a mindset that is of high self-worth, where you're comfortable with telling people no and you don't feel guilty, and you actually can enjoy the life that you've been able to create, because what is it worth if you can't live a happy and healthy and abundant life? Anyway, I could keep going. These are some thoughts I wanted to share with you today, because your mindset is a #1 skill that you should invest in and explore and grow, because it will take you everywhere you want to go. Now, tag someone below that you think would love to hear this and this will be helpful for them, and I'll chat with you soon. Bye.